we went over before about like showing up on time, making sure you're here on time so you get as much practice as possible. That was 8 full minutes. And so you should have gone through 8 full problems. And if you haven't gone through 8 full problems, you're not going as fast as you should. Eyes on me, please. Because you need to do well on the ACT problems. This right here is what I gave back. This is your, you've got problems, all ACT problems. The average on this was a 45. 45. Yeah, ouch, right? That's not very good. And some people didn't hand it to me, so they have zeros on their progress report. If you notice your progress report is not where it needs to be, there are corrections over there. And so, yes, you may have gotten the questions wrong, but how you react to it is what really matters. And if you want to do corrections, 7 corrections, you know what that grade turns into. And that's 100%. Because right now we're working through these problems, we're making sure that we're able to do them. And you need to practice first and foremost. The proof is right there. I put it right up there. Last year, all the people in the class growing 9, 8, 7, 6 points. And then on the right, look at the scores of the people who came to me with as a 16, as a 15, as a 14. It's all right there. Look at the names. You know those people. And so if you're ever confused about, oh, is this working or is this worth it? Yes, it is. Look over there. And by the way, I'm better this year. I didn't teach this class before. I made it up as I went along last year, to be honest. Now I know. And so now the stuff we're doing is even more related to what's going to make you successful. And so there are the names right there. Deja Bradley went from 13 to 22 in this class. How can you argue with that? You're going to come working on these problems the entire time. And so know that every single thing we're doing here is for that same reason, to get you up there. And I'm disappointed. I'm looking at it. There's not enough people as 24. That upsets me. But that's not going to happen this year. Turn to the first page, please. You have another You've Got Problems coming up. It's on your desk. It's due on Friday. I'm available whenever you want. If you're confused about any of those problems, it is my job to explain how to do those. And so come to me anytime. Mr. Arch, I don't get number 2. I will explain it. This right here. The bus travels 60 miles per hour in 2 hours. Bus Y travels 40 miles per hour in 1 3/4 hours. What's the difference between the amount? Tell the person next to you what you did for this one. Go ahead. Talk, 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 talk. What's your strategy? All right, come back to me. Bus X, how far does it go? Bus X, how far? Malik, track Malik. How'd you get that? What's your proportion?
60 over 1 and 20 40.
Where's 20 come from? What should it be? 2, right? So if it's 2, what's the distance? Malik, what's the distance? Good, nice job. Good, fix it on your paper. And then if you have Sydney, 1 3/4 hours at 40 miles per hour, how fast is that? Eyes on her.
70 miles.
How'd you get it?
I did 40 over 1 and X over 1 3/4, and I cross multiplied. You convert 1 3/4 to 1.75.
Nice. Now that I have those 2, what do I do last? What's my last operation and why? Sian. Very nice. Raise your hand if you got it right. You didn't get it? Flip the page, please. Alright, so now we got this. 3 or 4 different ways to do this. Let's see. How do you find the greatest common factor of 42, 126, and 210? Give me a strategy you used. Teresa.
I used it how you taught us in the calculator.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Say it again.
I used it how you taught us how to do it in the calculator.
Oh, you use a calculator. How else can you do it? Javette.
My strategy was more time consuming and complex. I just had a hunch it was 42, so I divide everything by 42. And
Do you get a remainder?
nah.
No, what's another way to do it? That's 2 ways. What's another way? I see it on your papers. What's the other way? Sian. The tricky thing? The what, Alicia? let's do it that way. 42, 126, 210. If you didn't do it this way, let's practice this way, because this is the foolproof plan. Okay, write it down. Alicia, what goes in all three of these? How do you know? Watch this, it's going to be good. Why? All of them do? Correct, good. What else can I say besides 3? What else are they divisible by? Do you know?